Hello guys and welcome back to a new video with us here at 2D to 3dcrystal.com. My name is Simon and in today's video I'm going to go through how you can use our software for your 3D laser engraving business. So to begin with, what is 2D to 3dcrystal.com? Well, basically what we offer is a service for you to upload any 2D image and our engine will immediately turn it into a 3D point cloud that you can then laser engrave for your clients. The difference between us and many of our competitors is that our engine runs entirely in the browser and we are way more price competitive. As you can see right here, we are up to 70% cheaper than our competitors. And as I told you, we run entirely in your web browser. That means that you can use our platform on iPad, on MacBook, on devices that was not possible before to create 3D point clouds. Now, I will be honest, our software is not perfect yet, all right? We released this website 2 weeks ago and we are constantly working on improving it. But as you can see here, these are some results that our customers have sent in and I think they look pretty good actually. And when it comes to pricing, you can see our credit packages here. Obviously, the more credits you buy, the cheaper it becomes. And if you want something more, like maybe you have a company that does hundreds of orders every month, you can contact us for an even better price. Now, enough talking about the company and let's get into how you use our software. So what you will need to do is to make an account. Once you have an account, you can go and explore our 3D workspace for free. This is fully free. There's no catch to it, no nothing. You can just make an account and you can explore the whole tool for free. All right. The only thing is that once you want to download your result, you will have to top up your account with credits. However, since you're watching this video, we will give you a welcome code that you can use upon registration. Use the code WELCOME when you create your account to receive 1 free token. All right. Now, how do we use the software? What we have to do is that we will have to choose a file. Once you have chosen a file, the website will look something like this, all right? Here we can put in our crystal dimensions. We have created a few presets, as you can see. We even have the hard crystal presets here. But if you're not happy with this type of presets, you can just type it in custom. Once you feel happy with that, what you will have to do is to make sure that AI depth map is turned on. This is usually on by default, so it should be no worries. Now, if you want to, you can mess around with these settings right here. However, I would not recommend it unless you know what you're doing. Obviously, the contrast and the gamma you can change. And as you can see, as I change this, it will change also in the 2D preview so that you don't have to build a 3D preview every time because it takes a while. So once you feel happy with your settings, let's say we want the gamma at 1.3 for this one. Maybe we increase the contrast a little bit. Wait. All right, I think that looks pretty good. Then we can build our 3D preview. Once you click there, it will start to run our AI model that will then turn your image into the 3D point cloud. Now, once it's done generating, it will look like this. This is your 3D point cloud, all right? This is what the software for your laser machine will receive, all right? As you can see, you can zoom in to really see the detail of what will be engraved and what will not, all right? So what you see is basically what you get. However, our preview is capped at about 20% because if we were allowing to preview the fully 100%, it would really slow down your web browser. We have tried to mix optimization with basically so users can use it without facing any crashes, etc, etc, etc. Keep in mind that because we run on a web browser, we are a bit limited. But don't worry, the full quality is still there once you download the file because you can see up to the right how many points it has created. Now, once you feel happy with your model, what you can do is that you can either export the file as an STL, a JLB or a DXF file, all right? It doesn't matter what you choose, it will always take 1 credit. Once you click on it, it will ask you to confirm that you want to use 1 credit and download it. And once you have confirmed it, it will start downloading immediately. Now, one last thing I want to go over is that obviously your 3D engraving will not look like this. I mean, it will, but at the same time not. Like all of these small points that you can see, they will not be visible inside of the engraving. It will be smooth skin, smooth texture. It will be very good results, you know? But the thing is, depending on your settings, sometimes you might get better, sometimes you might get worse result, okay? But it really depends on your gamma, contrast, etc, etc, etc. But what I would do is leaving most of these default, except the gamma and the contrast. Now, other than that, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I excuse if my English was not perfect because I am from Sweden. So if you have any questions, please just let me know in the comments and I will get back to you as soon as possible. And I can't wait to see what you guys create using our software. software. Thank you once again for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.